What's up, guys? This is your boy Rex and welcome back to the channel, guys. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys another step-by-step method you can go and use and start making some sales very fast on Clickbank, guys. So if you want to the channel, you're going to know I'm making sales every day consistently on Clickbank. So you can see I'm making at least $1,000 every week on Clickbank, sometimes up to $4,000 and sometimes up to $5,000 per week on Clickbank, guys. So all you're going to do is you're going to watch this video step by step to the end, and if you're going to take action on this method, I'm going to be showing you guys you can start making some first sales and start making some extra money very fast using this exact method, guys. So we show you watch the video step by step to the end, take action on the method, and you can start getting some results as well. And also want to get my step-by-step method I'm using to make sales every day consistently using paid traffic. You can click the first link in the description and can get my step-by-step training method. I'm going to show you guys how you can go and make your first sales very fast using paid traffic and be making sales consistently on Clickbank, guys. So that's it, guys. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel to get notified time that I post new videos on how to make money online and Clickbank earning methods, guys. So I post new videos every day that can help you guys start making some extra money very fast online and on Clickbank, guys. So that's it, guys. So if you want to get my course for completely free, all you're going to do is you're going to subscribe to the channel, you're going to leave a like on the video and comment on the video as well, and you're going to have a chance to get my course for completely free, guys. So what I'm going to do is that in this video we're going to be picking a lucky winner for the last video. So I'm going to copy the URL of the last video and we're going to pick a lucky winner that's going to get my course for completely free. So we're going to go to random YouTube commenter, we're going to input the URL of the last video, we're going to get YouTube comments, and we're going to pick a random winner, guys. So I'm going to click on start. I'm going to pick a random winner. So if you're the winner, all you're going to do is you're going to send me a message on Instagram. I'm going to leave my Instagram handle in the description. I can go and send me a message on Instagram and I'm going to send you my course for completely free, guys. So that's, guys, so let's get into the video. Let me show you guys this step-by-step method you can go and use and start making some extra money, start making some sales very fast on Clickbank and start making some extra money right today, guys. So that's, guys, so let's get into the video, guys. Okay, guys, so the first step as always that we're going to go to the affiliate marketplace and I'm going to show you guys one particular product and go and promote and can make a lot of sales using that particular product. So you're going to follow step by step method. You can go and start making some extra money using this exact method, guys. So what I'm going to do that, guys, is I'm going to go to the affiliate marketplace. I'm going to go to affiliate marketplace. You're going to choose a product you're going to be promoting, so you can go and promote any other affiliate product using this exact method I'm going to be showing you guys today, and you can start making some sales very fast, guys. If you're going to follow this exact method, I'm very sure you're going to start making your first sales as well, because I've used this exact method. I've made a lot of sales using this exact method, guys. So you're going to go to affiliate marketplace. You're going to click on search. All you're going to do is you're going to go and promote some particular product, guys. So the product I'm going to be showing you guys I can go and promote right today and start making some sales with it is in the e-business and e-marketing category. So I'm going to click on e-business and e-marketing category. We're going to choose the product I can go and promote right now, and I'm going to show you guys how I can do this step by step, guys. So watch step by step, take action on the method, and you can start getting some results. So we're going to start by gravity. So we want to set the products that are converting the highest on this particular category, guys. So you can see these are the highest converting products right now. So what I want to do is I want to make a lot of money. So I'm going to show you guys one particular product you can go and promote and make a lot more money, guys. So you can see this particular product, the Super Affiliate system by John Cristani. This product has been selling on Clickbank for a very long time, and you can go and make a lot of money promoting this particular product. So I'm going to show you guys this exact method you can go and use and make this amount of money, guys. So you can see you can make up to almost $500 promoting this particular product, guys. So if you make only one sale per day or one sale per week, you're going to making up to almost $500 promoting this particular product, guys. So you can see the gravity is 47, which means that other affiliates are still making a lot of money promoting this particular product, guys. So you can go and promote any other affiliate product using this exact method. So this is another product you can go and promote, and you can see that it also has a high gravity of 44 and it's also paying up to almost $500, guys. So this is a very high converting product. You can go and promote using this exact method, guys. So we're going to do this. We're going to go and promote this particular product. I'm going to show you guys step by step how you can go and promote it and start making some sales very fast. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the affiliate page. We're going to find a lot of resources that you can go and use and start promoting this particular product and start making some sales very fast, guys. So go to the affiliate tools area. You're going to find a lot of tools that is going to help you to start promoting this product and start making sales very fast. So you don't have to go and create most of these tools. Most of them are already done for you in the affiliate resources area, and you can just go and copy and paste and start making some extra money using this exact method, guys. So you can see the tools. So you can see there are different tools. There are free traffic. You are going to be using free traffic methods. There are free traffic methods right here. You're going to be using YouTube ads. You're going to click on YouTube ads. You're going to use Facebook ads promoting this particular product. You already have the resources that you can go and use and start promoting this particular product, guys. So what I'm going to the method I'm going to show you guys, I can go and use and promote this product and start making a lot of sales. So this is the method I've been using. I've been getting a lot of sales promoting products using this exact method is YouTube ads, guys. So if you click on YouTube ads, you're going to find ads that are already done for you. They can just go and copy and paste and create a campaign. Very simple, and start making a lot of money promoting this particular product that I'm going to be showing you guys step by step. So you're going to do this, you're going to click on YouTube ads. You're going to find all the creatives about YouTube ads that you can go and use in your ad and start promoting this particular product and start making a lot of money, guys. So you can see these are different resources. Click on this. You can see these are different videos that can go and use in your YouTube ads. So let me open this one, for example. So let me open this one. You're going to find a lot of different videos, and all you're going to do is you're going to go and download these videos, and you're going to go and use in your YouTube ads following this step-by-step method I'm going to be showing guys right now. So you can see that there are a lot of different tools that you can go and use right now, guys. So if you go right into the different folders, you're going to find a lot of different videos. So these are different videos that you can go and use in your ads. So these are ads that I've already tested, and you're going to be promoting products in the different languages. You can see that products in Spanish, so that videos in Spanish, there's Italian, because the product, you can promote this particular product in different languages, guys. So for this example, guys, we are going to be promoting products in English. So we're going to download the English videos, and we're going to be promoting products using the English videos. So if you go to the other folder, you're going to find a lot more different videos that you can go and use in your ads, guys. So these are different videos. All you're going to do is you're going to go and download one of these videos. You're going to use it in your advertisement on YouTube ads, following this step-by-step method I'm going to be showing you guys. So what you're going to do for me, guys, I'm going to go to Google Ads, and you're going to go and create a simple campaign. I'm going to show you guys how I can go and do this step by step. So I've spent a lot of money, more than $15,000 on Google Ads. So I've been doing YouTube ads for a long time, and I'm making a lot of money from YouTube ads, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and create a simple campaign on Google Ads, guys. So what I can do for me, guys, is I'm just going to type, for example, Google Ads. I'm going to set up a free account. So you're going to set up a free account. So you're going to see Google Ads. You just type Google Ads. You're going to go to ads.google.com. You're going to sign up for a free account that you can go and use and start advertising on Google, guys. So you can just get started with $20 to $30, and you can start running ads on Google and can start making some extra money, guys. So to promoting this particular product, so you can see that the commission is almost $500, guys. So if you spend, for example, $100 or $200 on this particular campaign and make only one sale, so let's say, for example, you spend $200 on this particular product and you make only one sale, you can see that you're making an extra almost $300 back from promoting this particular product, guys. So this product is going to help you to make a lot more money very fast, guys. So you need only 2 sales of this particular product to make up to $1,000 per day promoting this particular product, guys. So what you're going to do is that once you have set up your account, you're also going to go and create a simple campaign. So let me show you guys how I'm going to go and create this campaign step by step. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to campaign, and you're going to go and create a new campaign, guys. So you're going to do, you can choose, for example, leads, website traffic, or sales, guys. I mostly use website traffic and leads. So what you're going to do for me is that you're going to click on website traffic. You're going to choose a video campaign, guys, because we're going to be running video campaigns promoting this particular product, guys. So we're going to choose, for example, video. So we're going to choose video, and we're going to click on continue, and we're going to be able to create a simple ad using this exact method, guys. I'm promoting this particular product, and you can make a lot of money promoting this particular product, guys. So the campaign name, you can just leave the campaign name like this, and you can choose, for example, maximize conversions or target CPA. So you can put the target CPA, for example, 5 cents. So you can put the target CPA, for example, 5 cents, and you can see a typical target CPA for video campaign is between $13 to $31, guys. So you can use, for example, you can start, for example, with 5 cents and start bidding on 5 cents. And if you're not getting a lot of traffic, then you can increase the amount of bidding that you're going to be bidding, guys. So most of the time, guys, I mostly start running ads with maximized conversions, and if my costs are very high, then I will reduce to target CPA, guys. So for this particular example, guys, we're going to just run on maximized conversions. We're going to put a daily, so you're going to choose, for example, you can get started with $30 on a budget. So you can start, for example, $30 in ads to get a lot more traffic and start making some sales promoting this particular product, guys. So what you can do for me is that you're going to choose networks. So click on this. So most of the time I don't change any of this, and it's very easy, guys. So you're going to choose on languages, and this step is very important, guys. So what I want to do for me is that I want to choose English, since you're going to be promoting a product to people that speak English, guys. So if you're going to leave all languages, most of your ads are going to be shown to people that don't speak English, and you're going to be wasting money on those ads, guys. So I'm going to choose, for example, target country. So to choose, for example, enter a location. So what I'm going to do is some of the best countries I can go and target and promote your product is, for example, United States. They have the highest amount of sales, so I made my highest amount of sales from the United States. And the other countries that convert very well, guys, is United Kingdom. There's United Kingdom. There is Australia. And there are other countries, for example, Switzerland. And there are many other countries I can go and target, guys. So there are other, for example, South Africa. I can target this type of countries, guys. So sometimes I mostly just start off with one country, guys. So you can start with one country. If you are getting a lot more traffic, you are getting a lot more conversions on that one country, then you can increase on different countries, guys. So most of the time I mostly start with the United States. When I'm getting a lot more sales, then I extend to the other countries, guys. So you can just get started with only United States. You're still going to get a lot of traffic, guys. So I'm going to do from here, guys, that you can choose, for example, standard inventory. Most of the time I just leave this blank. I don't change most of this, and most of this is just, I'm just going to leave all of this like this, guys. So you can change the algorithm name. And from here, guys, what you're going to do from here is that it's very important. You want to change the demographics. You want to choose, you want to uncheck, for example, 18 to 24. You want to leave people that already have the money that they can go and buy this particular pro, guys. So I'm going to do from here, guys, you can just leave 25 to 34, or you can uncheck 25 to 34. As it's going to show only from people from 35 and above, guys. So you can choose this 25 and 34. So for this example, I'm just going to leave 25 to 34.